Want to fix Twitch not sending verification code? This video will show you the simple tricks to log back into your account. Let's dive in. First things first, if Twitch isn't sending a verification code, it's usually a temporary glitch with your internet or an issue with your contact information. Now, let's start with the basics. Check your spam or junk folder in your email. Sometimes these important emails get filtered. Also, ensure your phone has a strong network signal if you're waiting for an SMS code. Next, try to resend the code multiple times, waiting a minute or two between attempts. If prompted, try requesting the code via a different method, e.g., email instead of SMS, if available. Ensure your contact information on your Twitch account is up to date. Try logging in to twitch.tv. If you can, perhaps via a different device, and verify your registered email and phone number are correct in your profile settings. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with security features that rely on geographical location. Also, try accessing Twitch from a different browser or device. Finally, if none of these quick fixes work, it's time to contact Twitch support directly. Use their Contact Us or Help options. Explain the issue clearly, and they can investigate why codes aren't being sent to your specific account. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more streaming tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.